guys, what's up? Welcome to Beautifully Handmade. Today we will be making some Zen Doodles. If you like this video, do not forget to share, subscribe, and like. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is draw a few designs. Make sure to practice your designs as these are going to be the main portion of your Zen Doodle. So make sure to give this enough time. Try out many designs and pick which one you like. I have drawn a few just to help you out, but you can draw any design you like. After mastering and choosing the designs you would like to use, make sure to think of a shape. When you've thought of your shape, start drawing the outline of the shape. I chose to do a pineapple, but you could do any shape you like. After drawing your shape, you will need to draw the grid lines. The more grid lines you have, the more Zen Doodles your art piece will have. After drawing your Zen Doodle, you can begin to color it. You can color your Zen Doodle with any color. This part is optional. Now that was the end of the video. If you did like this video, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below which Zen Doodle was your favorite.